What's up everyone, how's your day going? I hope it's going great, but it's about to get way better after you watch today's video. Welcome back to our Coolest Gadget series, where we make a list of the most useful and most unique devices you can get your hands on today. Is it your turn to cook and you don't want to spend the entire day near the stove? You want to stay with us till the end because we have a bunch of fantastic kitchenware to make sure your family survives the dinner you cook. In case you want to buy one of these products, make sure to check the description for all the links. We got a diverse list of useful products that'll better your life, and maybe some useless stuff that will look cool in your kitchen. Grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's get right into it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you can continue to enjoy our videos. DAYOO Steam Cleaner and Dishwasher. There isn't always a space for a dishwasher in every kitchen, but having something disinfect your dishes is essential. And for that reason, we recommend this steam cleaner and dishwasher. It fits the palm of your hand and uses high-pressure steam to kill maximum germs and dirt on any of the utensils in 10 seconds. No soap, chemicals, or sponges are required. Moreover, the number of nozzles depends upon the cleaning surface. It also consists of a quick adjustment feature to steam clean your fridge, shelves, and cabinets. You can also take the gadget out in the garage if your car or bike needs to clean off after a muddy ride. It is water resistant and consumes less water, saving space and the environment. How about that? Reusable metal straw. It's time to let go of our hold on plastic straws, people. Think about the turtles. This metal straw is friendlier for the teeth and nature. The advantage of this vinyl straw is that it is collapsible and you can fold it into the case clip attached to your keychain and can use it everywhere. If you are a traveler, this accessory will make your life easier. You can occasionally clean the straw with the foldable brush kept in the case. ZEGA Intelligent Cookware. How nice would it be to eat a gourmet meal without having to slave away in the kitchen for hours on end? ZEGA Intelligent Cookware will do all the work for you. Select one of the delicious recipes and put the ingredients in the pot. Specify the cooking process from the app, and after reaching the required temperature, switch off the stove and relax. It keeps heat in the center of the two sides of a pan, just like a thermos, and cooks for hours. Additionally, the cookware will let you know when the food is ready so you will not burn the dish. It couldn't get any easier. Bowl set. Everybody wishes for exceptional organizing skills, which isn't a gift everyone has been blessed with. So it's good to have things that are easy to put away. This set of mixing bowls and measuring cups saves some space in your kitchen drawer. The biggest bowl can be used for mixing salads, whereas a colander is used for cleaning fruits and vegetables. A sieve may be used to separate solids from liquids, and sift flour, and a smaller bowl is used to melt butter. This set also consists of 5 cups of different sizes that help you with measurements to achieve a perfect balance for ingredients in any recipe. Your kitchen can look put together, and you can save space at the same time. Oil dispenser bottle. A perfect amount of oil and vinegar in the food makes it tasty. It's essential in many people's daily meals. This dispenser set incorporates a pump system that allows you to control your portions with precise accuracy. You can pour the liquids into the products without dirtying the other kitchenware. The 2 bottles can be refilled easily without spilling. In addition to this, the bottles can be washed easily, so you may put them in the dishwasher or clean them with warm water and soap. Knife sharpener. Cutting the ingredients with a dull knife is annoying, but we got you covered. This benchtop knife sharpener will sharpen your knife like a lightning strike. Install everything in place and pick one of the 3 abrasives. Hold the knife vertically as if you are cutting meat. After sharpening the knives, fold everything and pack it in the box to save some space in the drawer. It can also be used for sharpening scissors and serrated knives. Smart chopping board. Do you get scratches while cutting and prepping for cooking? Well, then it is time you replace those dull knives and bad chopping boards. These 4T7 smart chopping boards combine 7 tools and help you spend time in the kitchen more productively. There are several boards for cutting meat and vegetables, grinding spices, defrosting, and grilling other products, so you do not mix the food flavors. This product can also weigh the ingredients and count the calories. It also has a built-in timer that controls the cooking time up to 99 minutes and an app with plenty of recipes. We got you covered on every end in the kitchen. Food chopper. You can save your time preparing and chopping ingredients with this Food chopper. In case you want to peel the garlic or chop onions, this product will do it perfectly. It consists of stainless steel blades that mince, dice, and grind ingredients faster than a knife. Just punch the vegetable chopper until you're satisfied with the result, as the included base will help you keep everything in place. Air hoods. Large cooker hoods have a better suction power, but they are too hard to install and sometimes they are unable to work properly. This is the reason this portable and adjustable air hood is one of a kind. It has 3 speed settings and you can place it next to your pot or pan. You can simultaneously protect your kitchen shelves from oil and grease, all thanks to the oil filter and a charcoal filter. It cleans the air in the room to clean the detachable filter in your dishwasher. The wireless options in this product allow you to use it for up to 3 hours with the ultimate flexibility. It helps to reduce cooking odors and fumes in the kitchen. Salad chopper. This salad chopper gives you the vibes of playing Fruit Ninja, but with vegetables that you can actually eat. This handheld salad chopper will help you chop your ingredients with fast movements. It consists of 2 separable blades, easily washable under tap water or in a dishwasher. You should not be afraid that your children will cut themselves when they find it among other kitchenware, as there's a protective cover to make sure its storage is as safe as possible. So you clumsy viewers are protected as well. Air fryer. This Ninja fryer will prevent the rising of your cholesterol, as it uses 75% less oil or any other fat to cook your favorite deep fried dishes. It utilizes hot air circulation and cooks up to 2 pounds of food. To cook the main and the side dishes side by side, it has an air fryer with dual baskets and different programs, along with 2 windows to monitor the cooking process. You can adjust the settings for every basket. If you're trying to eat healthier meals, start with an air fryer. You can find endless recipes that'll satisfy your cravings as well as help you stay in shape. Breakfast station. You should have a perfect meal in the morning to have a boost to start your day. You know what they say, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Okay, I'm not trying to sound like your mom or anything. To make your day more productive, we introduce you to this nostalgic retro breakfast station that will feed every member of the family. It also has a built-in toaster at the base that may function as an oven. You can even toast up to 4 slices of bread at the same time and bake loads of tasty food, and it can even be used to reheat the food. It also provides you with a griddle space so you can get creative, and incorporates lid to perfect the style of your cooking. The temperatures and settings of this station are adjustable and are controlled with precision using the knobs in the center. It also includes a coffee maker at the left of the station to make up to 4 cups of coffee at the same time. The breakfast station makes your morning a total breeze, as the crumb tray makes the cleanup easy. TRIVAE pan lid. Are you still finding the right place for the pot lid when cooking? You may still be having trouble finding space to put more plates on the table because it is a big fat Greek wedding. Stop worrying as we present you with this product that holds lids. The TRIVAE pan lid works as a display stand and a trivet for serving dishes when needed. The plus point is that it doesn't slip whatever the surface may be. Your kitchen tables are secure from hot kettles, pots, and messy drips, and when it is folded, it can fit even the smallest drawer. It is a perfect kitchen assistant that matches any kitchen decor perfectly. You may take it to the dinner table when your meal is ready to serve. Hello Egg. This is an egg-shaped kitchen expert that will assist you to plan your weekly meals according to your dietary preferences and adjust to the events like a spontaneous at-home dinner with your vegetarian friend. Hello Egg organizes your shopping list and even orders your grocery delivery. With its built-in automated voice, it provides you with easy-to-follow step-by-step voice navigation video recipes and answers any cooking-related questions with the help of artificial intelligence and a support team of cooking experts. It can provide you with the smallest details, such as flipping the pancakes over. We can't wait for this concept to come to real life. Ice Crusher Machine. If you want to refresh your drinks quickly, this ice crusher machine can make any of your beverages such as juices, cocktails, and soft drinks cold. You may use it to prepare refreshing desserts on a hot summer day. This product can save up to 140 pounds of ice in an hour without annoying vibration and minimal noise. You just have to put some ice cubes inside and a single blade will mesh it into snowflakes to keep your drinks colder for a longer chill. Which kitchenware do you think is the most essential and helpful? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section. What kinds of videos would you like to see from us? We'd love your suggestions. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to enjoy all of our future uploads. Until next time.